Many of us are looking to generate some extra income, to earn some extra money so we can fuel our passion for traveling, our passion for buying some new nice items, maybe our passion for investing somewhere, whatever is your case. I don't know your case. However, when I hear the term side hustle, it literally makes my hair even more curly. So I decided, and here I'm sharing my experience with you, and so I decided to replace the term side hustle with a new term, and I am replacing it with a passion project. So now when people ask me, or they sometimes question me and they say, oh, you are one of those who are trying to do some side hustle. I stop, like I pause and I look at them and I say, no, I am not doing any side hustles. I am running and building my passion project. Yes, I am running, managing, and building my passion project. You do the same. Next time, if somebody will try to question you and make you doubt and just will say, oh, you are one of those with the side hustles, you just say, no, I am not. I am managing, running, or building my passion project. And I promise you, it gives totally different energy, creates totally different vibration. So that's it for today. See how that feels for you. How does it feel for you when you say, I am running, I am managing, I'm building my passion project? Just see how all this feels to you. Bye.